Ready to supercharge your Dynamics Ax workflow by adding a new user and fine-tuning their access. First, navigate to the System Administration module. This is your central hub for user management and security configurations. Then, find and click on the Users section. Here you'll see a list of all existing users in your Dynamics Ax environment. To add someone new, simply click the New button. This will open a form where you will enter the new user's details. Fill in the required fields, including a unique user ID, the user's full name, and their email address. This information is crucial for identification and communication within the system. Now, let's grant them the appropriate access by assigning security roles. Select the roles that align with their job responsibilities. Be mindful not to overgrant permissions. You can add roles by selecting them from the list and clicking the Add button. Remember, security is key, so grant only the necessary access. Finally, let's configure their workflow participation. Go to the Workflow tab. This section determines how the user interacts with automated business processes. Under the Delegation Options, you can specify if and how tasks are delegated to this user. This ensures that processes continue smoothly even when someone is unavailable. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and assigned the correct roles, click the Save button, and that's it. You've successfully added a new user to your Dynamics AX workflow.